Ito, red heart?
Yeah.
The red heart. Okay, you press the red heart. Okay, okay.
Oh, 100.
Put the 100.
Ayan na, Mags.
Finally, I didn't have a podcast.
Starting na.
Yeah, you will share, okay? Let's see what will happen.
Oh, ayan na, Mags. Oh, Nate, look at that. Wow. Wow. Ooh.
Yes, you can hold it, okay? You will share with Ate Margo, okay? Yes, you can hold the stick.
Grabe, tumataas pa. Ayos. Maangat pa, oh.
You will share, okay? If you do not share, then no cotton candy, okay? Okay. Share, so you can have cotton candy.
Ay, may pagganyan pang style, eh.
I want one. It's getting a pumpkin candy cake. A pumpkin.
Wow.
A pumpkin.
Oh, may paganyan pa.
Mommy, and I'm already done. The big one.
Pag sure di, Nate. Oh, yan na. Lumaki na, anak.
Wow.
It's getting bigger.
So big. Candy can eat it.
Wow.
The second time
Where is it coming from?
Wow, look at that, Nate. Oh, it's there na. Look. Ayos ah. May paganyan pa, oh. Program talaga siyang ganyan, eh.
Where's the heart though? Where's
Ayos
the
yung sa
heart?
mga A. Wow. Is it heart? Or is it flower? Wait, wait, wait.
Whoa, whoa.
No, excited na si Brother Nate. Wait, ha? Wait.
Okay, just wait.
Okay.
I hold the ball candy and I did.
Careful.
Whoa.
Okay,